Good Thursday morning, South Florida. Look at this beautiful shot of the airport and of Miami. It is gorgeous. It's our CBS 4 camera here and Doral facing towards MIA and downtown Miami. Now, temperatures are starting off in the 70s for the most part, but it is near 80 and Marathon 80 already in Key West. And you notice from the view, we have a lot of cloud cover, but it's adding for a very beautiful sunrise, I would say. There is some rain. We're going to talk about that right now, but the wind is pretty light and calm in a lot of the areas. Here's the rain. It's very light, but it is impacting your drive from 595 and north. So if you're headed up towards Palm Beach County, you're going to be dealing also with the rain. So just watch out for that. Although it's light, could still cause some slippery conditions out there on the roadway. Flood watch remains in effect till noon, and I think after that, the National Weather Service will allow to lift it because we're seeing a change, and it's a drier change as well. There is this dry area that's moving into the southeastern Bahamas, and that is coming our way. But still this morning, there's this trail of moisture that's being drawn from the moisture associated with that disturbance over the Gulf of Mexico. But finally, that splits away. Moisture heads out and over the Atlantic and over the Gulf of Mexico and allows for this dry air to come in tomorrow, and it's going to stick around Saturday. Now, you notice some moisture lifting over the Gulf and then eventually going out into Florida again. I think by Sunday we'll have a better chance for some showers, and especially early next week. Speaking of the Gulf Coast states have to watch out for that possible tropical disturbance or tropical depression that could form later on today and by tomorrow, because it's going to bring some heavy rainfall. Regardless of development, all that moisture is headed northward into Louisiana from New Orleans all the way up into Birmingham. The next 3 days, forecast amounts of rainfall could top 5 to 7 inches between New Orleans and Pensacola. So that's going to be a major weather story there for the next couple of days. Here's a wider view of what's going on over the Bay of Campeche. Doesn't look too impressive, but there's a lot of moisture bubbling up on the east side of this system. Has a good chance to develop, as I mentioned, later on today or by tomorrow, and hurricane hunters will be out there this afternoon to investigate the system, which will give us a better forecast.